today. And I usually see Commissioner Suber, but her bitch ass sent me over to Judge Cabrera, who has allowed my ex to continue to abuse me. And in December of last year, throughout my domestic violence restraining order, because he said that Hugh Oram and I had a mutual fight in 2018. 2018 has nothing to do with 2021. Hugh drunk and high, not remembering that he is sending me text messages threatening my life. But he's been sucking Hugh's dick for a long time. So anyhow, today in court, Cabrera threatened me with sanctions if I continued to practice my constitutional rights and file paperwork to have Hugh Oram arrested and imprisoned because he has impersonated a federal agent, claimed that he's turned in his firearms when he hasn't, stolen my identity for 2 years, got tax revenue from my social security number, killed my animals, but yet I'm the one in the wrong trying to bring this behavior to light. And he also claimed that recording is illegal when you are allowed to record in public, and the court can make a rule saying that you can't record. I mean, it's like high school. They say, hey, when you come to school, you can't chew gum. But there is no law stating that you cannot record while you're in court your proceedings. I didn't record anyone else's, nothing. I'm allowed to record how these judicial officers behave and continue to treat me. Period. So he asked me if I was willing to tell the truth under oath, and I always have told the truth under oath, but today I did not agree because he allows Hugh Oram to lie under oath constantly, and so does Shannon Suber. Shannon Suber, if you've ever had her at San Bernardino Historic Courthouse, go on to the California State Bar and file charges against her for them to investigate. She is a lying, scandalous cunt, and she will continue to do things that are illegal so that she continues to come out on top. Period. That's just point blank, period. That's what is going on. I say, fuck the courts, and when they realize that they work for us, the taxpayer, the community, the citizen, we don't work for them, and people start standing up to them and stating, you're there to settle an argument. You're not there to take a side and become discriminatory and prejudicial and allow someone to continue to be abused. Abuse is not just physical. Abuse comes in many different forms and fashions, and economical and financial abuse towards women is what many people do, and that's exactly what Hugh Oram is doing. He is lying about how much he gets, over $14,000 a month. I'm homeless and have been homeless for 1.5 years because they will not force him to turn over documents. I'm telling you guys, record when you're in court. Record when you're in public. Record everything. Start showing how these people actually act instead of us bowing down to them. Yes, I did record today in court, and I will be posting it online. Fuck you, Hugh. I can't wait until you are fired. You were masturbating in 2 county vehicles. One of them was the one with the light bar on it, and the other one was the one that they gave you after you got arrested for drunken driving, okay? and you have stolen county property. And me and my children will testify against you, and they are very aware of that. They have the recording of you admitting to me that you did steal county property, and that you were going to lie to them and just make up that when you bought me something, you would say you got it from the hobo camp. They have your very own fucking words recorded, because I recorded you November 9th. Remember that? Remember that? You killed my fucking animals. You murdered them. Suber had no right to allow you to get rid of my property. Suber had no right. And it's all going to come back. So, I guess we'll wait and see. Come and arrest me, Cabrera. Because you're fucked. Your own words are going to be used against you, and yours as well, Hugh. Enjoy your camper. I already know you don't pay. You do not pay. Sharon Oram. Message me, you guys, if you're interested in cities and want to find these people. You might be able to find them by Googling their names. But I automatically insist that you get in touch with San Bernardino County Land Use Services and San Bernardino County Court Services, and you demand that they stop sticking together and they start defending the people and not each other.